Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Siti Noarifa binti M. Anwar with number matric as 55567. I'm going to present on my progress for my research, which title is Facial Mask for Acne Treatment through Pseudium guajava leaves. I was supervised by Associate Professor Dr. Laili binti Haji Cik Ros. This is the objective of the study. Firstly, ethanol extraction of Pseudium guajava leaves. Secondly, to investigate Pseudium guajava antioxidant properties. Thirdly, to create a ternary emulsion phase diagram utilizing constant hexane as an oil phase to generate a masker formulation template. And the last one is formulate a masker for Pseudium guajava active components. Next, why I choose guava? This is the main reasons. First, antioxidants. It helps to heal skin damage as well as the treatment and prevention of acne. Secondly, safety. Herbal products are safe, possess many therapeutic properties, and have no or fewer side effects compared to modern chemical entities. Third, antibacterial components, isoflavonoid, gallic acid, ascorbic acid, and carotenoids, which help cure skin infections and inflammatory disorders. And the last one is vitamin C, has concentration of 2 to 5 times that of citrus fruits. This is the process on how to produce masker from Pseudium guajava leaves. The first step is extracts. Extraction of Pseudium guajava leaves via ethanol. Secondly, antioxidant test. Analyze using phytochemical tests and study on antioxidant activity. Thirdly, constructs. Construction of ternary phase diagram. And the last one is formula and character. Formulation and characterization of cream. This is the material and method used in my research. The first one is extraction of Pseudium guajava leaves. The chemical used is plant extracts and ethanol. The apparatus is oven, blender, filter paper, and rotary evaporator. Secondly, analyzation of antioxidants in Pseudium guajava leaves, plant extracts, hydrochlorinated acid, Meyer's reagent, potassium mercury iodide, sodium hydroxide solution, acetate anhydride, chloroform concentrated H2SO4, and bromine water. The apparatus used is phytochemical test apparatus. The third process is construction of ternary phase diagram. The chemical used is plant extracts, hexane, H2O, and twin AT. The apparatus is titration, centrifuge, and vortex. The last process is formulation and characterization of cream. The chemical is plant extracts, cetyl alcohol, olive oil, twin AT, H2O, and glycerin. The apparatus is blender. This is the process of extraction of Pseudium guajava leaves. The first step is leaves has been dried in oven under 40 degrees Celsius for a few days to make it dry enough. The second step is dry leaves were blended to make it into fine and tiny pieces of leaves. The third step is leaves powder then immersed into 99.9% of ethanol for a night. The fourth step is sample of leaves extracts being filtered. And the last step is sample of leaf extracts will then left into rotovap to get the crude extract. Next, the result for extraction of Pseudium guajava leaves. This is the picture of fresh leaves samples of Pseudium guajava. And this one is the dried grounded samples of Pseudium guajava. And this one is the crude extract of Pseudium guajava leaves. Next, analyzation using phytochemical tests. The first test is detection of alkaloids. Using Meyer's test, yellow-colored precipitate showed the positive presence of alkaloids. Next, detection of flavonoids. Using alkaline reagent test, yellow-colored becomes colorless after addition of dilute acid, indicate the presence of flavonoids. Third is the detection of steroids. Lieberman-Burkert test is used in this test. The formation of blue-green ring showed plant extracts contain steroids. Next, detection of terpenoid using Salkowski test. Reddish-brown colored at interface showed positive presence of terpenoids. And the last phytochemical test is detection of tannin using bromine water test. Formation of reddish-brown precipitate indicate the presence of tannins. Next, we continue to how to construct a phase diagram. Phase diagram process. The first step is titration and measuring percent by weight. The second step is the sample then be mixed together using vortex. And the last step is put in centrifuge and balanced in 10 minutes with 3.5 rpm speed. This is the phase diagram used in formulating cream. The green region is oil in water region. The yellow region is liquid crystal region, while the white region is emulsion region. Next, we continue to formulation of facial mask from Pseudium guajava leaves active components. First, dry and blend the guava leaves to form a powder. Second, extract guava leaves powder with ethanol and then will be filtered. Third, add mixture with olive oil, glycerin, water, and twin active. Fourth, and the last one is cream masker of Pseudium guajava leaves, extract ready to be used. Next, antioxidant in formulation of Pseudium guajava. First, standard antioxidant assays, DPPH, were determined along with TPC and TFC. Total phenolic content is 1.63 plus minus 0.03 mg per gram as compared to gallic acid. Total flavonoid content is 5.11 plus minus 0.01 mg per gram as compared to quercetin. And the last one is formulation from Pseudium guajava also show exhibit significant strong scavenging activity DPPH assay. This is the reference of my research. And this is the acknowledgement of my research. Thank you. Please let me know if you have any questions.